Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here's your daily technical analysis of energy futures. I'll start with ICE Brent crude oil futures. An interesting outside day and combined with a bearish engulfing pattern yesterday, coming as it did after an unusual key reversal up and possible hammer pattern. All this has been as the market attempted once again to penetrate the overhead combination of the upper tie, currently 87.25, of the March to August bullish Andrews pitchfork and the October 2018 high 86.74, though I have to say that partnership is swiftly breaking away. One thing to note, and something I've repeated here often, the upper tie and overhead is an untested tie, so it has been interesting to see the action and reactions as prices came closer to both. This all continues to be, as I've said for a number of weeks now, an overall justifiable move up after July's monthly key reversal up. So far today, a bit of indecision with what looks like right now like an indecisive spinning top pattern today. ICE Gasoil futures. Another really interesting pattern or series of patterns yesterday. A combined key reversal down and bearish engulfing pattern. What was interesting was the bearish engulfing pattern. Now, you may say that what's so special about a bearish engulfing pattern after an indecisive doji cross, as we saw in the previous session, and I would normally agree. What was interesting this time was the main body of the bearish pattern nearly covered the whole of the previous session's action, and not just where the doji cross was located, especially given the large range we had in the prior session. This was also special given, as I outlined yesterday, that all this week prior to yesterday had indecisive actions, and they were all at the top of the recent market. So overhead, we still have the market adequately capped by the October 2018 high at 752.5. This October 2018 high is a gateway to a small congestion zone between 752.5 to 759.25. Meanwhile, below we have layered supports at 727.25, 720 even, and then again at November 2018 high at 713.75. Beyond this, we have the broken upper tie, currently 708.5 of the March to August Andrews pitchfork, bullish Andrews pitchfork. Please remember, all the recent moves higher have been a justifiable move up after July's monthly key reversal up. Now, so far today, a significantly higher open within yesterday's main body of action, but over this, well over the 727.25 support. But we've seen a little widening of the range, notably dipping below the support at 727.25, but we've only ended up where we more or less started off. We're looking like an indecisive, potentially spinning top, maybe possibly a bullish harami, but we'll see on that one. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives you essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.